Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm back on my classic location. We got this new little structure over here. The construction yard is gone, y'all. But anyhow, I'm out here. It's Throwback Thursday. I'm out here to have some line of sight fun with the TinyHawk Freestyle. And I got these 2.5 inch gym fan props on here, really aggressive pitch. And so I got this G&B 450 2S pack on here. And so I'm out here ready to fly. I don't think I'm gonna do any FPV, just some line of sight fun. Line of sight Acro fun with this guy. I did recently switched to another transmitter with this. I used to fly this with my Tyrannus, but now I'm flying it with the Devo. I know there's at least one new version of it, but this is the original one. So the original one is still awesome. I think one of the upgrades that they have with the newer one is you have an adjustable camera angle there, but I have mine at the angle that I love. So let's get this guy up in the air and fly. Gonna take off from here. My little perch is gone. Oh, I don't have the transmitter on. What am I doing? I recently turned my rates up a little. Still not the highest, but high enough for me to have some fun with it. This little guy's fast, I gotta remember. Don't really have the rates up high enough to do fast flippy floppies. I love power loops. Sheesh, a bird was about to go after it. He must have realized it was something that he couldn't take. No buzzer on it and no FPV, so I gotta keep in mind how long I'm flying this thing. Don't want to kill my pack. See the little light flashing there. I know that's just the VTX, but I'm kind of nervous about the battery. So I'm just going to bring it down. TinyHawk Freestyle, Throwback Thursday, quick little line of sight flight, Acro. Thanks for watching.